holiday meal. It's everyone's favorite part. Unless, of course, you are the meal.
You don't get it. They're fattening us up so they can us. Hey!
Percy's going to Turd Paradise!
Turd
Paradise.
Go, Percy, you lucky son of a gun!
See what I mean? But the truth is, I've always been a little bit different.
Our world is made of corn. Leafy corn. Corn porn. Fire porn.
I think we're gonna go with a bigger turkey, okay?
Please.
That turkey's not big enough. Now, don't do that. No.
And that's Paul. He's getting a divorce. It's a bald guy.
I didn't call you Baldy.
Don't worry. You're good. I'm tired now. That's Marcia. She eats her feelings. What the fuck? That's Marcia.
Why did you say that today?
I will never, ever leave you. Oh, wait, TV!
Welcome to the Cum Zone. Only cum inside anime girl.
Yes, that looks way better than corn. Call. Get pizza delivered right now.
Pizza time.